Hello and welcome back. As we can see inside of MiGage, I've gone ahead and entered my new key code. So we can see that my particular microscribe is unlocked, and from here we can go ahead and start setting up a run plan and working through that to do some inspections with our microscribe. Now, if you notice, at the bottom of the screen we have plan, run, report, connect, and setup. So we're going to work from left to right through the plan, run, and report to generate our actual reporting for our part. Today we're going to be working off of just a basic block. We'll take a few planar measurements and a few other measurements off of this part. So to start out, let's create a top plane. So we'll go to the very beginning where we have measure, construct, align, macros. We'll go to measure, plane. We'll call it top plane, so we'll delete off the 1 and then hit add. Now right now we have our reporting turned off. Before I hit add, we have the ability to turn that on or just to show the out of tolerance reporting, but for now we'll just turn off the reporting. So we'll hit add and you can see it throws it off into the background. So from here we'll go ahead and go back to measure, and let's take a couple lines. So we'll do line left and then line back, and I'll leave these in the reporting on for now, and then we'll do line front. Now I did not project those other ones to a particular plane, but I'm going to go ahead and project the front one to a plane. And then we can go back and edit that later, and I'll show you that. So we're going to turn project on, and then I'm going to choose the top plane to project to. So what that means is we're going to take that line and project it up to this top plane. That way we have a nice even way to measure everything. We're going to leave the tolerancing off for now. So we'll just go ahead and add that. Go back to our measure plan. We'll go ahead and add circle left, and I'm going to project that to the top plane, and then we'll do circle right. I'm going to project that to the top plane. Okay. So from here we can go back to the create plan window. And again, that's just up at the top left hand corner, so if we're ever in a function and need to go back, we can hit this top left hand icon to go back to the main home screen. So we were working inside of measure. Now what we're going to work inside of is construct. So we're going to construct a distance between the center point of the circle left and the center point of the circle right. Now I'm going to turn off the nominal value for now because we don't know that, and I'm also going to turn off the tolerancing. But I am going to turn the reporting on. I'm just going to call that distance 1. So we'll go ahead and add that. I'm also going to add an angle from line left to line back, and it should be about 90 degrees, and we can turn a tolerancing on. It won't be nearly that close, but we can play around with it a little bit. So we'll go ahead and add that. And we left that as just an out of tolerance. So we have a few different measurements that we're going to look at, and from here we can go ahead and create a measurement and report.